All right, I'm going to teach you a Mario little ditty, the Superstar theme. I love Mario. He's been a part of my life. He's been around for 40 years, so he's been around my entire life. And this one is really fun, really quick and easy to learn. We'll start with a rhythm, and we'll just say it first. Superstar, a star, yeah. Just like that. One more time. Superstar, a star, yeah. Now we'll clap it. Superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. Putting it on the piano, we're going to have our bottom and top fingers, our pinky and thumb, play together, and we'll put our thumb on F, which is at the bottom of 3 blacks, and these will play together. Now we'll put it with the rhythm. Superstar, a star, yeah. And once we've gone through that once, we'll drop both fingers down a note, and we repeat the whole thing. Superstar, a star, yeah. And that is everything we need to know for the right hand. We'll piece them together. So here we go. Superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. Now the left hand, the rhythm is su and star. So what I mean by that is superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. On su, we'll play our pinky, and on star, we'll play our thumb. Superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. And you can do that on the piano. We'll start with our pinky on D, which is right in between the 2 blacks here. Nice and slow. Superstar, a star, yeah. Then we'll, like we did on the right hand, drop both fingers down a note, a white note, and we'll repeat. Superstar, a star, yeah. So all together. Superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. Now let's pair both hands together. So we've got left hand pinky on D, right hand thumb on F, and we both play on su. Left hand just starts with that single pinky, and right hand starts with just bottom and top fingers. Superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, yeah. A star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. And that's everything. You can work towards playing that quicker, and it sounds really fun. Superstar, a star, yeah. Superstar, a star, yeah. You can even play it up. I'll even throw in a little bonus to make it sound extra cool. On the word yeah, I want you to play a C sharp, which is the bottom of two blacks. So it'll sound like this. Superstar, a super, a star. And with my forefinger, I reach and grab that C sharp. Yeah, superstar, a super, a star. And again with my forefinger, although I could do the pinky climbing up. Yeah, superstar, a super, a star. Yeah, superstar, a super, a star. Yeah, and it goes on and on. So let's put hands together with that bonus content. Superstar, a super, a star. Yeah, superstar, a super, a star. Yeah, superstar. And it goes on and on. Now at full speed. There you go. That was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I've got a few other Mario tutorials headed your way. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for joining.